Hi guys, for today's video, me and my group mates are going to talk about the applications of magnetism and the do's and don'ts of handling electricity. So let's go.
Hi guys, so magnetism. Magnetism is a class of physical phenomena that is mediated by magnetic field. So let me give you an example.
Where are we now? Wait. I have a compass in my bag. So, based on my compass, we are facing north. How do you know that? Simple. The compass contains magnets that attract magnetic field that facing north. Oh, okay.
Another application of magnetism is Bratislava.
We gonna ride till we fall. They say we got no future at all.
That's it for magnetism, guys. So next up is the do's and don'ts in handling electricity. So here's my group mates to elaborate more.
Electricity. Electricity is a fundamental form of energy that is observable in positive and negative forms that occurs naturally. Examples for lightning and can be produced in generators.
The do's and don'ts of using electricity.
Number 1. Always cover and protect the wires for safety purposes. Tip number 2. Always check the maintenance of the wires if it is cut broken or if you think that it is dangerous to yourself or others. Number 3. Always turn off the lights or unplug the appliances if you leave the house or in schools.
So guys, electricity can be dangerous and it can lead to death. If we do not use electricity correctly, it might cause us injury or the worst case is death. So guys, it is now my turn to give you tips on what are the don'ts when using electricity. Tip number 1. Do not let this wire in an open air space. Because if you let this wire in an open space, it would lead to short circuit and that short circuit might get caught on fire. So, always put the wires in a safety places. Tip number 2. Most people are stupid enough to put metal objects into the outlet. And that's a big no-no. So, never put a metal into the wire or an outlet. Tip number 3. If you think or your hands is very wet, never touch any appliance because it might have chances that you will get electrocuted.
Hope you learned something from our video. Thanks for watching.